Well, good morning again, Rockhounds. I want to show you a few. This is the bottom of the bucket again. Got a nice, it's pretty clear gem there. We have a possible carnelian. Might be an agate, orange agate there. We have, I'm sorry for the glare, I'm outside. Can you hear the crows in the background? It's another nice piece of carnelian there. All these are river tumbled smooth from the ancient river system. That was 4 feet below my driveway. Ooh, that has some nice color. You see the color? You can faintly see it because of the glare. It's pretty neat right there for sure. Oh, here's a, I guess it's a, I thought it was that black limonite, but I don't know, y'all. Pretty odd. We'll keep that. Sorry for my, I have a sweatshirt on. The bottom of it's soaking wet. I'm spraying this water. That could be a piece of amber. I have found a lot of amber out here, y'all. It's a nice, that'll glow red under the light. We have a lot of smalls in here. I just leave them and I'll show you where they go. This is probably just a piece of random chert. Not found any of that in here. It could be something else. I mean, let me know in the comments what you think this is. It's probably just chert. I don't know. I think that's that limonite there. There's another piece of limonite here. And then it's just a bunch of smalls, y'all. Check this out. I hope I can get this in before time is up. It's just really small, y'all, okay? But check out the banding in that. I would love to find a huge stone like that. Is that not amazing, y'all? The banding in that. Anywho, y'all have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. And thank you to all some new subscribers. I appreciate all y'all. This journey has really only gotten started. No matter what we do every day, we're just going to be doing this, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I wanted y'all to know that. We're finding some amazing stones, y'all. There's so much in this ancient riverbed, and I guarantee you there's so much more to find. We've truly only gotten started. There's a sort of a green colored, probably a light green colored there. But anywho, this is not going to be here. This is going to be on the regular video side. I just wanted to show you. This is the bottom of the 3rd bucket that I went through this morning. I mean, there is some small clear ones. See that one? That one right there is clear. And I'm leaving those for now. Now, if I find out they're rough diamonds or something, we're going back through all of it. But for now, we're just going to leave it alone. Check this one right here out. Right here. That glows an orange under the light. I don't know exactly what this mineral is. Anybody knows in the comments, I appreciate it. It does glow orange under the light. But I found a little bit of that also here. It's pretty cool. Anywho, I'll show you what we've gathered so far. Just limonite pieces I do put together at the beginning, but I do separate them in their own pile. And I have probably close to 270 maybe pounds of limonite that I have found so far. This river system, and I also have a chert bed on the opposite end, and there's a huge indention in the ground about 9 feet long by 5.5 feet wide, probably about 4 feet deep, that connects where the riverbed ends on my property. The chert bed begins, but it begins and ends at that indention. And I've not even got it started in an indention yet. Can you imagine what's in there? Right now I'm trying to widen my driveway so I can get a building up here so we can have a studio, put a wood stove in there, and line the walls with all of the amazing finds that we have found so far, including the over 2,000 fossils. And I've found some 60-pound behemoths that I think are coral from the ancient waterway through here, and I've just found so much stuff, y'all. Anywho, y'all have a great day or night. I know I done said that, but I guess the cold is getting to me a little bit out here, y'all. I'll show you what we found so far and then where this goes. This is what we found so far, y'all. There's a bunch of Chalcedony in here. The jewelry quality. Some of these stones in here are amazing. A bunch of Carnelian in here. There's a bunch of just odd stuff that I found. And clear stones. There's these ones with the holes all in them. I've been finding a lot of those lately too. Check that out. I may do a short on this for about 30 seconds because that is really an amazing one there. I did find this big. Now this, I don't know what this is, y'all. It looks black on the inside, doesn't it? I'm going to break a tip off of this. I may do a short if it looks good. If it doesn't, you'll just know it's a cool looking, weird looking rock. But there's some nice Carnelian gems in here. Let's check it out. This is my go-to pile, and then this is what we weighed yesterday, I believe. This is the big pile of rocks that I'm going to go through. From what I'm going through, I just pile them up here. And this is what I search for. I do find fossilized, brachiopod. Not found many horn corals. I have found crinoids in the river rocks. I have about probably 300-400 river rocks, and probably about the same chert with fossilized remains in them. And I'll show you where this other goes. This is where this is going. This is a huge, huge, huge tub. And this is where all the remaining will go. Like, that's a piece of Carnelian there. And we'll go through that. Break it down. Look for fossils, gemstones, and put them in bags and stuff. But, anywho, my hands are frozen. I'm going to go in. Can you see my hands are frozen? I'm going to go in for a little bit. For about 20 minutes, come back out, give me another couple bucket loads, and we may go down there and do a video or two. Because I really have to get my driveway widened out. And it's taking time. You see what I'll have to go through, and I can't just put all this to the side when I'm finding what I'm finding. So I've got to get out what I got to get out. I got to clean it all. I got to go through it, search it all, throw the smalls to the side, and then eventually go through that too. I'm a one-man crew, and I've got to get this driveway widened out before the real winter hits here. And I need our studio up and going so I can do live streams in studio, live streams in the riverbed. I've got so much stuff to do here, y'all, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all if you've lasted this far into this. It's the longest video in a while that I've done on this channel, and I will start doing live streams on this channel, and I will start producing longer videos with great content. It won't be chatty. I won't chat you to death like I'm chatting you to death right now. I'm just giving you an update. That's a nice Carnelian there. There's all kinds in here of gemstones. I've just gotten the bigger ones out and left all the, if you want to say, yeah, that's small. Smaller ones in here to go through later. See, I do miss some because I would have probably gotten that out because I really like the color of that. But yeah, I gotta get my driveway widened out, and I'm the only one doing it. You know, I can't. We're on the poverty side of poor right now until we can, you know, get some stuff moving. And it's just me and a pickaxe and a shovel, and I'm going 14, 15, 16 hours a day. So, you know, we can only do so much right now. But anywho, y'all have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe out there and rock on.